What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and get ready to get into another unboxing. Today we're going to be reviewing the Travis Scott and Cactus Plant Flea Market Free Thugger Hoodie. Now before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on the next upload. So I've received about a couple, like 2-3 months ago, this Free Thugger hoodie. I was traveling, so I wasn't able to open it. It was hard to get to it because I was traveling. Now as you see from the StockX website, it shows here that it came out season fall winter 2024, color brown, release date August 29, 2024, and it cost the retail price of $150. But enough talking, let's go ahead and open this. Free Thugger. Shout out to Young Thug. He's out right now. He's free, on probation, but at least he's out. So while he was incarcerated, they had this collab, Travis Scott, Cactus Plant Flea Market, Free Thugger hoodie. Off the rip, super awesome. I like it. I didn't even know that the colors from the puffer print were different. So you have that white and off-white color, it says Free Thugger, super nice. You also have the Days Before Rodeo like logo or print, and then on the back you have the Atlanta, again white and off-white puffer color, and then it says Days Before Rodeo upside down in red. This is a fire piece that it took forever for me to unbox this, but I'm glad I was able to do it with you guys on YouTube because this is a great piece. So as you see on StockX, if you buy it now, you have to bid for the XS, US small 230, US medium 248, large 294, XL 224, XXL 341. Definitely put in your bid because that's probably the best way and you'll get it for a cheaper price. I didn't find it through Go. I only was able to find it through like Grailed or StockX. Let me know in the comments below if you're a big fan of this Free Thugger hoodie. Did you buy anything from this same drop? It is a brown color, heavyweight, 100% cotton fleece pullover hoodie with contrasting puff print details. The puff print is great quality. So again, I paid $150. They're selling a little over $200, but you can always try bidding. But enough talking, let's try this piece on. I did buy it in a large. This is my favorite piece. I ended up, if you look at my last video, I did go over the rodeo hoodie with Spider collab, and these are like my two top hoodies right now. This is actually gonna be beating it, so I will be wearing this a lot more. The size fit perfectly because I'm normally like a medium. I'm 5'9", about 170 pounds. With a large, I feel like it did run small, so I ended up getting a large. So it worked out at the end because if you're a medium, I would just say size up one because they do run a tiny bit small, but they fit cozy, fits good. As you see, it's not super huge, but it's also not super fit. If you are going to buy this Free Thugger hoodie from StockX, make sure you get the next size up. But that wraps up our review for the Free Thugger Travis Scott Cactus Plant Flea Market hoodie. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews and we'll catch you in the next video. We out.